everyone. So today we will see the disorders of tryptophan metabolism. So we have already seen about phenylalanine, tyrosine, and now we come to the tryptophan metabolism. So this topic, it also contains the NEET PG questions. So let's see tryptophan metabolism disorders. So disorders of tryptophan metabolism are we will see here three types, that is carcinoid syndrome, Hartnupp's disease, and blue diaper syndrome. Now we see the metabolism of tryptophan. So you all know that this tryptophan is first hydroxylated to form 5-hydroxytryptophan. This hydroxytryptophan is then decarboxylated, that is removal of CO2, and it forms 5-hydroxytryptamine, which is also known as serotonin. Is a very good neurotransmitter. This serotonin now may be degraded or may be acetylation. If it is acetylated, then it forms N-acetyl serotonin, which forms melatonin. And the other, when it is degraded, it forms 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid and 5-hydroxytryptamine. This both then combines to form 5-methoxyindole acetate. This 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid and 5-methoxyindole acetate, they both are excreted in urine. So in all these disorders, you will see that 5-HIAA, that is 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid, is the test which is found in urine there. So let's see now the carcinoid syndrome, the first disorder. It belongs to gastrointestinal and neuroendocrinal tumors. These tumors of argentifin cells that secrete serotonin. It is increased synthesis of, therefore there is increased synthesis of serotonin. Now clinical symptoms. Most common symptoms are intermittent diarrhea. That is 32 to 84% people are seen with diarrhea. Then the second symptom is sweating. Then fluctuating hypertension, and the fourth is pellagra-like symptoms. Then we come to the diagnosis. The diagnosis is serum serotonin level is increased, urinary 5-HIAA, 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid is increased. Neuroendocrine markers are also used for diagnosis, like chromogranin A, neurospecific enolase, and synaptophysin. Now the next disease is Hartnup disease. It is a hereditary disorder which is associated with defective tryptophan metabolism, and the name came after the family. So it was first discovered in Hartnup family. That's why the disease is known as Hartnup. Biologically defect, we see it is impaired synthesis of transport proteins for tryptophan and neutral amino acid in intestinal, mucosal, renal tubular epithelium and the brain. There is defective intestinal and renal transport of tryptophan and the other neutral amino acids. So this tryptophan is not transmitted or not transported from the intestine, and this disorder is known as Hartnupp's disorder. Decreased synthesis of serotonin because tryptophan does not reach, and nicotinic acid, which accounts for neurological symptoms and pellagra-like rashes. Then the clinical features, it is characterized by mental retardation, intermediate cerebral ataxia, and other neurological symptoms like pellagra-like symptoms like skin rashes, cutaneous hypersensitivity to sunlight, and so on. Blood plasma levels, you see tryptophan is increased and other neutral amino acids are reduced. Not increased, tryptophan and other neutral amino acids are reduced. Then feces and in urine, you see the neutral amino acid including tryptophan are excreted in urine. In urine it increases, in feces also it increases at least 5 to 10 times of normal average. Fecal excretion of tryptophan is specially marked after a loading dose of tryptophan given orally. Urine also shows greatly increased amount of indole acetic acid. Then laboratory diagnosis is Obermeyer's test, that is test for indole compounds in the urine is positive, and treatment it is lipid soluble esters of amino acids and tryptophan ethyl esters. Treatment with nicotinic acid and nicotinamide and high protein diet. Now the other third disease, that is blue diaper syndrome. It is also known as Drummond syndrome. It is due to tryptophan malabsorption. This defect is expressed only in intestine and not in the kidney. Blue staining in the diaper, that this is due to bacterial breakdown of unabsorbed tryptophan to form indicant and indigo blue, that is indigo color, blue dye color is there, ink color. Symptoms may include irritability, constipation, poor appetite, vomiting, failure to grow and gain weight, and some may have fever and intestinal infections. Additional symptoms are poor vision, high levels of calcium may accumulate in kidneys. Then diagnosis is through clinical evaluation, detailed patient history, identification of characteristic symptoms and demonstration of indicant in fresh urine sample. Treatment, it is food with high tryptophan diet should be avoided. Diet should be that restricts that intake of calcium, low protein and vitamin D diet, antibiotics to eliminate intestinal bacteria, and nicotinic acid to control intestinal infection. Now we come to the NEET PG questions. This is the recent question which was in 2019. Serotonin is 5-hydroxytryptophan, 5-hydroxytryptamine, 5-carboxytryptamine or 5-carboxytryptophan, and the answer is 5-hydroxytryptamine. Now next, this question was in November 2017, recent. 5-HIAA in urine is due to pheochromocytoma, carcinoid syndrome, phenylketonuria or alkaptonuria, and the answer is carcinoid syndrome. Now the next question, it was also a recent question. Melanin is derived from tryptophan, tyrosine, methionine or alanine, and the answer is tyrosine. This is also a recent question. Melatonin is derived from tryptophan, tyrosine, methionine or alanine, and the answer is tryptophan. This is also a recent question. The amino acid that can be converted into vitamin, that is tryptophan, B glycine, C methionine, D tyrosine, and the answer is tryptophan. So thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.